हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम पढ़ेंगे क्लास 8th ज्योग्राफी का चैप्टर नंबर 2 लैंड, सॉइल, वाटर एंड नेचुरल वेजिटेशन। इस वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को पढ़ेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को। उससे पहले अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें, जिससे आपके पास तक हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशन पहुंच सके। वेरी शॉर्ट answer type questions. Question number 1, what is the full form of CITES? Answer: CITES is the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. Next question, define national park. Answer: national park is a natural area designed for the protection of ecological integrity of one or more ecosystem for the present and the future generation. Next question, name the classification of forest depending on when they shed their leaves. Answer: forests are broadly classified as evergreen and deciduous depending on when they shed their leaves. Next question, primarily on what factors does the growth of vegetation depends upon? Answer: the growth of vegetation depends primarily on temperature and moisture. Next question, why is river Yamuna getting polluted? Answer: river Yamuna is getting polluted due to sewage, industrial effluents and garbage released into it. Next question, what quantity of water does a dripping tap waste in a year? Answer: a dripping tap water 1200 liters of water in a year. Next question, what are the two major threats to soil as a resource? Answer: soil erosion and depletion are the major threats to soil as a resource. Next question, how much time period is required for the formation of just 1 centimeter of soil? Answer: it takes hundreds of years to make just 1 centimeter of soil. Next question, which natural resources covers only about 30% of the total area of the Earth's surface? Answer: land. Next question, what is the main reason behind the uneven distribution of population in different parts of the world? Answer: it is mainly due to varied characteristics of land and climate. Next question, on what basis land is classified into private land and community land? Answer: on the basis of ownership. Next question, what has led to large scale destruction of forest cover and arable land? Answer: growing population and their ever growing demand have led to a large scale destruction of forest cover and arable land. Next question, why is hazard mapping done? Answer: hazard mapping is done to locate areas prone to landslide. Next question, what determines the type of soil? Answer: landform determines the type of soil. Next question, in which year does the consumption of water for human use was 3850 calories per year? Answer: in 1975. Next question, why is Earth appropriately called water planet? Answer: because 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Next question, what percentage of fresh water is present on Earth? Answer: only about 2.7%. Next question, what is the major problem faced by the world today? Answer: access to clean and adequate water sources is a major problem faced by the world today. Next question, on what does the growth of vegetation depends primarily? Answer: the growth of vegetation depends primarily on temperature and moisture. Next question, give some examples of species protected under CITES. Answer: bears, dolphins, cacti, corals, orchids, and alloys, etc. Next question. What are the possible reasons behind the uneven distribution of population around the world? Answer. The reason behind uneven population distribution are mainly is the varied condition of land and climate. Next question. Give 3 common forms of land use. Answer. 3 common land use forms are as cropland, pasture, forest. Next question. What human factors determine land use pattern? Answer. Human factors affecting land use pattern are population and technology. Next question. Define soil. Answer. The thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called soil. Next question. What is required to make soil fertile? Answer. The right mix of minerals and organic matter is needed to make soil fertile. Next question. What is parent rock? The rock from which soil is derived is called parent rock. Next question. What are the factors threatening soil as a resource? Answer. 2 factors that threaten soil as a resource are soil erosion and its depletion. Next question. What method of soil conservation may be used in coastal and dry region? Answer. Shelter belts are used to protect the soil in coastal and dry region. Next question. Why is the earth called the water planet? Answer. The earth's surface has about 3/4 water, so it is called water planet. Next question. In what forms is fresh water on the earth? Answer. Fresh water is found in the forms of groundwater, water in rivers and lakes, and water vapor. Next question. What is the name given to the process involved in rain formation? Answer. The process involved in the formation of rain is called water cycle. Next question. Name some regions of water scarcity in the world. Answer. Africa, West Asia, South Asia, parts of Western USA, Northwest Mexico, parts of South America, and Australia face water scarcity. Next question. Name a method to save surface runoff. Answer. Water harvesting is a method to save surface runoff. Next question. How is the world-like vulture important for the ecosystem? Answer. A vulture feeds on dead livestock and so it cleans the environment. Next question. What is the distinguishing feature between evergreen and deciduous forest? Answer. Evergreen forests never shed their leaves, whereas deciduous forests shed their leaves once a year. Next question. What is the Van Mahotsav? Answer. The social program of planting trees organized at the community level is called Van Mahotsav. Short answer type questions. Question number 1. What is soil and how is soil made fertile? Answer. The thin layer of grainy substance covering the surface of the earth is called soil. It is closely linked to land. Landforms determine the type of soil. Soil is made up of organic matter, minerals, and weathered rock found on the earth. This happens through the process of weathering. The right mix of minerals and organic matter make the soil fertile. Next question. What does the weathering mean and how does the weathering help soil? Answer. Weathering is the breaking up and decay of exposed rocks by temperature changes, forced action, plants, animal, and human activity, and soil is made up of organic matter, mineral, and weathered rocks found on the earth. This happens through the process of weathering. Next question. How does the major factors of soil formation play an important role? Answer. The major factors of soil formation are the nature of the parent rock and climatic factors and Parent rock determines color, texture, chemical properties, minerals, content, permeability, climate, temperature, rainfall, influence, rate of weathering and humus, relief, altitude and slope determine accumulation of soil, flora, fauna, and microorganisms affect the rate of humus formation. Time determines thickness of soil profile. Next question: what are the some broad mitigation technique of landslide? Answer: some broad mitigation techniques of landslide are as follows: hazard mapping for locating landslides prone area so that building settlement can be avoided, construction of retention wall to stop land from slipping, increase in the vegetation cover to arrest landslide, the surface drainage control work to the control the movement of landslide along with rainwater and spring flows. Next question: how is the land classified on the basis of ownership? What is the concept of common property resources? Answer: land can be classified on the basis of ownership as private and community land. Private land is owned by the individual, whereas community land is owned by the community for common uses like collection of fodder, fruits, nuts, or medicinal herbs. These community lands are called common property resources. Next question: how is land being degraded? Suggest methods to conserve land resource. Answer: the ever-growing population has increased demand for living space, due to which forests are being destroyed, thus causing land degradation. The rate of degradation of land resources can be checked by promoting afforestation, land reclamation, regulated use of chemical, pesticide and fertilizers, and checking to overgraze. Next question: what is weathering? Answer: weathering refers to the breaking up and decay of exposed rocks. This breaking up and decay are caused by temperature fluctuations between too high and too low for section, plants, animals, and even human activity. Weathering is the major process involved in the formation of soil. It takes millions of years to form soil by the process. Next question: how is water an important resource? Answer: water is an indispensable resource of life. Firstly, water serves the most basic purpose of drinking, without which life is impossible. It is helpful in cleaning our bodies, clothes, and utensils. Farmers depend on water for irrigation. Water is also used in cooking food. Water is a source of electricity as well. Plants require water for their growth. Water is required for various industrial purposes in factories. Next question: write a short note on wildlife. Answer: the animal kingdom, which consists of animals, birds, aquatic creatures, and insects, is called wildlife. These creatures provide us various important products such as milk, meat, hide, and wool. Bees gives us honey and help in pollination. They play the role of decomposers in the environment. Birds like the vulture are scavengers and they help in cleansing the environment. All forms of wildlife are an integral part of our ecosystem. Next question: what are the major types of vegetation in the world? Describe vegetation in different rainfall conditions. Answer: the major types of vegetation in the world are grouped as forest, grasslands, scrubs, and tundra. In areas of heavy rain, huge trees can be found. Forests are abundant in areas of heavy rainfall. With moisture and rainfall, the density of forest declines. In moderate rainfall areas, grasslands are found. In dry areas, we found thorny shrubs and scrubs. Plants here have deep roots and leaves have thorny surface to reduce loss of moisture. The tundra vegetation consists of mosses and lichens. Long answer type questions. Question number 1. What is a land and what is the concept of land use? Answer. Land is among the most important natural resources. It covers only about 30% of the total area of the Earth's surface, and all parts of this small percentage are not habitable. Land life. Land is used for different purposes such as agriculture, forestry, mining, building houses, roads, and setting up of industries. This is commonly termed as land use. The use of land is determined by the physical factors such as topography, soil, climate, minerals, and availability of water. Human factors such as population and technology are also important determinants of land use pattern. Next question. Describe landslide and mitigation mechanism in brief. Answer. Landslides are simply defined as the mass movement of rock, debris, or earth down a slope. They often take place in conjunction with earthquakes, floods, and volcanoes. A prolonged spell of rainfall can cause heavy landslide that can block the flow of river for quite some time. The formation of river blocks can cause heavy to the settlement downstream on its bursting. In the hilly terrain, landslides have been a major and widely spread natural disaster that often strike life and property and occupy a position of major concern. Mitigation mechanism is the advancement in scientific techniques which has empowered us to understand what factors cause landslide and how to manage them. Next question. Describe methods of soil conservation. Answer. Some common methods of soil conservation are mentioned below. Mulching. Mulching is the process of covering the bare ground between plant with a layer of organic matter like straw. It contributes in retaining soil moisture. Terrace farming. Terrace farming is the method of farming in which board flat steps or terraces are made on the steep slopes so that flat surfaces are available to grow crops. They reduce runoff and soil erosion. Intercropping. In intercropping, different crops are grown in alternate rows and are sown at different times to protect the soil from being washed away by rain. Counter ploughing. Ploughing parallel to the contours of a hill slope to form a natural barrier for water to flow down a slope is called counter ploughing. Shelter belts. Rows of trees that are planted in certain areas to check wind movement are called shelter belts. Counter barriers. Stones, grass, and soil are used to build barriers along contours. Trenches are made in front of barriers to collect water. Rock dams. This prevents gullies and further soil loss since rocks are piled up to slow down the flow of water. Next question. What is the threat to vegetation and wildlife? What is the need to conserve them? How can we do this? Answer. Forest and wildlife are an important resource. Climate change and human interferences in the animal kingdom can cause loss of natural habitat for plants and animals. Certain species have become endangered and many have become extinct now. Poaching incidents contribute to their extinction. Plants and animals are an important part of the ecosystem. Plants provide food, oxygen, and shelter to humans and animals. Animals provide us important products such as milk, meat, honey, etc. There exists a balance in the environment. If we do not disturb the natural number of species living on the earth, a single extinction can affect the ecosystem badly. So, animals and plants obviously need to be conserved. The government has introduced national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves for this purpose. Poaching should be severely dealt with. Indiscriminate killings need to be discouraged. Social awareness must be created about the importance of trees, social forestry. Students should be involved in Ban Mahotsavs at regional and community levels. इसके साथ ही हमारा ये वीडियो कंप्लीट होता है। आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। साथ ही हमारे चैनल को लाइक करना, शेयर करना और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें जिससे आपको आज तक हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशन पहुंचते रहें। धन्यवाद।